Assalamualaikum. I am Dr. Murad Ali from Mediamar. I came from Kelantan actually. I was from Kelantan and Terengganu, then I came to KL. Actually, I bought this chair because we are elderly people already, and because our leg is not good enough to climb the steps. Actually, this is for the step. When you go up and this one, the knee will be paining. So you know when it's kneel and the one, the doctor asks us to buy the chair to make sure if you are staying upstairs. If you are staying downstairs, then I don't think so. But for upstairs, for the stairs, this is good enough. So if you have a bungalow or you have a house like you step up and down, your bedroom is upstairs, it's good to have this type of chair. Actually, I went to the office to see the escalator. Then they showed me the chair. So I found out the chair was very useful. So this chair was nice enough for us, for the elderly people or even your mother, if any elderly people come, to climb up. So they will sit down nicely and it's going very slowly and peacefully. And you have a control that you can control if they can't control it. To bring it down, if you go up and say, then you want to bring it down to your wife and then you can automatically use the control to bring the chair down. So you don't have to go up and down like that. So at least 2 people can go or 3 people can go. Because they have the auto so that you can go down or can go up where the parking is. And the power doesn't cost much because they are using the power and batteries there. For the guarantee, I think it's okay for the chair. Because when we sit down, it's very nice to sit down slowly. It's comfortable for you and your size also is comfortable. Even if it's an old lady or this one, it's still okay. For my mother, if my mother comes also, I thought it would be suitable for her also to move. We actually, because we are staying up and down for already 10-15 years here, so now at the moment as we are getting older, the doctor asks us not to climb up the stairs, so it's very comfortable. Well, after buying this, I go up and down, I don't use the stairs, I use the chair up and down. It can be used how many times you want to use. So it's very comfortable for us. So if you go up, you just use the chairs and come down, you use the chair.